Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated camera releases of the year, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If you're passionate about photography, videography, or just love keeping up with cutting-edge camera technology, you're in the right place. Canon is finally stepping up with what could become one of the best mirrorless cameras of 2025. The EOS R6 Mark III, the next exciting chapter in Canon's full-frame mirrorless EOS R series, is shaping up to deliver some serious performance upgrades. For months, rumors have swirled about this new addition to Canon's mirrorless camera family, and now, more detailed leaks have surfaced that paint a much clearer picture of what this new powerhouse will offer. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll explore the Canon R6 Mark III specifications, release expectations, pricing details, photography and video features, and how it compares to the competition. Whether you're a professional photographer, a serious filmmaker, or a content creator looking to upgrade your gear, this camera could be your next best tool. Canon R6 Mark III, a new era for mid-range full-frame cameras. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is not just another upgrade, it's a potential game-changer for hybrid creators who need both exceptional photography and powerful video capabilities in a single camera body. According to the latest reports, Canon is equipping the R6 Mark III with a newly developed 24-megapixel full-frame sensor. This is a welcome advancement for the R6 series, blending the perfect balance between resolution, speed, and low-light performance. But what truly sets this new sensor apart is its stacked CMOS design. For those new to this, a stacked sensor typically offers faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, reduced rolling shutter, and far superior low-light capability. This means sharper images, smoother video, and fewer artifacts when capturing fast-moving subjects, a huge plus for sports, wildlife, and action photographers. Interestingly, this sensor is rumored to outperform the one found in the current EOS R5 Mark II, though it will still sit just behind the performance of Canon's upcoming flagship, the EOS R1. There's speculation that this could be a modified version of the sensor used in the EOS R3, offering similar readout speeds and dynamic range but optimized for the R6 line. Next-level processing power, triple processor setup. Let's talk about the processing power that makes the R6 Mark III a true beast. Canon is expected to integrate dual Digic X image processors supported by an additional Digic accelerator unit. This powerful combination should deliver blazing fast performance, significantly improved autofocus tracking, and buttery smooth high-resolution video processing. This triple processor system should also allow the R6 Mark III to handle intensive 6K RAW video recording and high-speed burst photography with ease, all while offering improved energy efficiency, a great step forward for creators who need reliability on long shoots. Updated design and ergonomics. Built for creators, Canon is not reinventing the wheel with the R6 Mark III's design, and that's actually a good thing. The core body layout remains familiar, which will be a smooth transition for existing Canon mirrorless users. However, Canon is adding a fully articulating tilt-and-flip LCD screen, perfect for vloggers, solo filmmakers, travel creators, and photographers who frequently shoot from difficult angles. This flexible screen will make it easier than ever to capture high and low shots or set up for self-recording without additional monitors. Canon is clearly thinking about hybrid shooters who switch between video and photography on the go. Canon R6 Mark III video features. A cinematic powerhouse, Canon is clearly positioning the R6 Mark III as a true hybrid camera, offering advanced video capabilities that rival higher-end models. According to the most trusted leaks, 6K internal RAW video recording up to 60 frames per second, 4K video recording up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion content creators, Canon Log 2 and Canon Log 3 profiles for better color grading flexibility, and extended dynamic range, advanced heat management to reduce overheating during extended video shoots. These features are incredibly competitive in the current mirrorless landscape, making the R6 Mark III ideal for professional videographers, YouTubers, and documentary filmmakers who want cinematic image quality without the need for external recorders, autofocus and image stabilization. Precision. You can trust. One of the standout areas where Canon continues to lead is autofocus performance. The R6 Mark III is expected to feature enhanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology, with even faster subject detection and tracking, improved eye autofocus, and more reliable object recognition across complex scenes. Expect intelligent autofocus tracking for people, animals, vehicles, and potentially even new subject types like drones. Whether you're shooting fast-paced sports, unpredictable wildlife, or dynamic street photography, this autofocus system should help you nail the shot consistently. Additionally, Canon's industry-leading in-body image stabilization is likely To see refinement, possibly offering up to 8 stops of stabilization when paired with select RF lenses, making handheld shooting smoother than ever. To Canon EOS R6 Mark III release date and pricing insights. When can we expect to see the Canon EOS R6 Mark III officially? According to industry insiders and reliable leaks, Canon is targeting a launch window between July and September 2025. This aligns with Canon's traditional release schedule, often timed with major photography events and summer trade shows. For pricing, there's been a recent adjustment in the cost of the current R6 Mark II, now available for around $1,999 at many authorized retailers, with refurbished models dropping even further. The R6 Mark III is expected to arrive with a price point between $2,499 and $2,799, offering substantial value considering the sensor upgrades, processing improvements, and pro-level video capabilities. The bigger picture, Canon's growing mirrorless ecosystem. But the excitement doesn't end with the R6 Mark III. Canon is also preparing to push the envelope further with its upcoming Canon EOS R3 Mark II, which could redefine professional mirrorless photography and videography. The original R3 set a high bar with its 24.1 megapixel stacked sensor, but the Mark II is rumored to jump to a 30.1 megapixel stacked backside illuminated CMOS sensor. This upgrade will offer even greater resolution, improved low-light performance, and dynamic range exceeding 15 stops, ideal for those who demand maximum editing flexibility. The R3 Mark II is expected to maintain its ISO range of 100 to 102,400, ensuring versatile performance in challenging lighting conditions. On the video side, 6K RAW recording at 60 frames per second and oversampled 4K at 120 frames per second should keep Canon's flagship camera competitive with Sony and Nikon. Advanced autofocus will take another leap forward, with AI-powered subject detection capable of tracking humans, animals, and potentially even drones with unprecedented precision. Eye-controlled autofocus is also rumored to be more accurate and responsive, with burst shooting speeds of up to 40 frames per second and 15 frames per second. The R3 Mark II will be a top choice for sports, action, and wildlife photographers. Expect top-tier build quality, enhanced weather sealing, and ergonomic refinements that improve the integrated grip for extended use. The electronic viewfinder is rumored to be upgraded to a 5.76 million OLED with a 240 Hz refresh rate, delivering an incredibly smooth and immersive shooting experience. Connectivity will also see modern upgrades: dual-band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 full-size HDMI, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 dual card slots supporting CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards. The expected price for the Canon EOS R3 Mark II is around $5,999, and a late 2025 release is anticipated. This pricing reflects its status as a premium professional camera aimed at the most demanding users. Competition in the mirrorless camera market. As Canon prepares these next-gen cameras, the mirrorless market is heating up. Sony's Alpha 9 Mark III is focusing on speed for sports and wildlife photographers, while Nikon is rumored to be launching the Z9 Mark II with a 45.7 megapixel sensor and 8K video at 60 fps. Canon's edge will likely remain in its class-leading autofocus precision, rugged build quality, and reliable color science, which professional shooters have trusted for years. Final thoughts. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a serious contender as 2025's best mid-range mirrorless camera, particularly for content creators who need a versatile tool that excels in both photography and video.